The push-up is one of the most powerful exercises you can do without a single piece of equipment. It's been around for generations because it simply works. This single movement targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your legs, making it one of the most complete bodyweight exercises in existence. But here's the truth. Mastering the push-up isn't just about upper body strength, it's about full body control. Let's start from the ground up. Your lower body plays a much bigger role than most people think. If your core, hips, or legs aren't engaged, your push-up will collapse. To fix this, brace your core as if someone's about to punch your stomach, squeeze your glutes, and slightly tuck your pelvis. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your feet together or about 4 inches apart, whatever helps you stay stable. Avoid sagging your hips or raising them too high. Both will ruin your form and weaken the movement. Now focus on your upper body. Place your hands just outside shoulder width and angle them about 45 degrees from your shoulders. This position protects your joints and helps you generate maximum power. As you lower your chest, breathe in slowly, keeping your elbows close to your sides. They should point slightly backward, not out to the sides. When you push back up, exhale and drive through your palms until your arms are fully extended. From above, your body should look like an arrow, not a T. If you stay consistent and focus on proper form, the push-up can transform your entire upper body strength, stability, and endurance. Stay disciplined, keep your body aligned, and with time, you'll be amazed by how much stronger you become.